Hi, I'm Nate with Distinct Heating and Cooling. It's getting to be that time of year where you're pretty much done with the air conditioning unit and you're starting to think it might be nice to have some heat. So I just wanted to walk you through today what's involved with shutting down your AC unit for the year and getting your heating system ready to go. The first step is to make sure that your air filter is nice and clean. So we're going to go ahead and check this one out. Looks like this one's in great condition, so we'll be able to go ahead and get through the winter with this. So far, we've checked to make sure that our air filter is nice and clean. The next thing you want to do is if you have closed off your basement heat vents, it's a good time to open them up now. So let's go do that. Next, we're going to go ahead and adjust the humidifier damper to the winter or fully open position. Some of our customers choose to have a cover put on their outdoor condensing unit. If you do put a cover on there, then we would recommend that you go to your electrical panel and turn the breaker off that says air conditioning unit. Then you can proceed to put the cover on for the winter. If you don't have a cover, then the next step is simply to go to your thermostat, put the system switch to heat, and then set it to the desired set point. You'll also want to adjust your humidistat to its desired set point. If you'd like an overview of this or any other helpful maintenance tips, please feel free to contact us today. Thank you.